My name's Adam Gerle. I'm VP Marketing for Northern Vision Development, which owns and operates the Downtown Hotel and Midnight Sun Hotel in Dawson City, Yukon, and the Bedrock Motel and RV Park in Mayo, Yukon on the Silver Trail. I'm very excited to introduce the Midnight Sun Hotel. The Midnight Sun has been undergoing renovations for the last 2 years, and we are creating the premier boutique hotel experience in the north. So the Midnight Sun Hotel will consist of 19 fully renovated, elegant rooms inspired by the Klondike Gold Rush and Victorian era themes. The Midnight Sun will also have a restaurant called the Central. It'll also have a lounge with beautiful tin ceilings called the Francis. And coming in 2022, we will have a nightclub known as the Penguin Club where you can dance the night away. Although it doesn't get dark, so you could be dancing a long time. The Downtown Hotel is a 59-room hotel that's open year-round that combines Klondike Gold Rush charm with modern, comfortable rooms and amenities. We are famous for our Jack London Grill, where you can get breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and we also have a summer patio, and we're also home to the notorious Sourtoe Saloon, home of the Sourtoe cocktail. If you haven't done the Sourtoe cocktail, it's a mummified human toe. You drop in a shot of your favorite whiskey, do the shot. Once the toe touches your lips, you've earned a certificate and joined the Sourtoe Cocktail Club. Over 97,000 people have done it, and in the next year or two, 100,000 will be served. And if you're in Dawson, that could be you. So the Bedrock Motel is located on the historic Silver Trail in Mayo, Yukon. It's a 12-room hotel, newly renovated, with 19 RV spots, so it's a beautiful way to break up your trip between Whitehorse and Dawson. Northern Vision Development really takes health and safety of its guests and staff and communities very seriously. And being part of different hotel chains like Best Western and Coast, we have state-of-the-art cleaning standards we've implemented in all of our hotels to keep guests safe. From all of us at the Downtown and Midnight Sun, we look forward to welcoming you back to Dawson City, Yukon when travel resumes.